আজ আমরা শিখব বেসিক ইংলিশ কনভারসেশন বিটুইন টু ফ্রেন্ডস। হে, হাউ আর ইউ? হে, হাউ আর ইউ? I am good. I am good. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Priya. My name is Priya. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like painting and listening musics. I like painting and listening musics. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have pet dog. Yes, I have pet dog. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. My favorite food is pasta. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Yes, I like traveling. Yes, I like traveling. Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak a bit of French. Yes, I speak a bit of French. Do you like to read? Do you like to read? I enjoy reading novel books. I enjoy reading novel books. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? My favorite book is The Great Gatsby. My favorite book is The Great Gatsby. What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is South Park. My favorite TV show is South Park. Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you follow any specific diet? Do you follow any specific diet? I try to eat healthy most of the time. I try to eat healthy most of the time. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? I go jogging every day. I go jogging every day. Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping? Yes, I am a shopaholic. Yes, I am a shopaholic. Do you enjoy spicy food? Do you enjoy spicy food? Yes, I do, especially on cold days. Yes, I do, especially on cold days. Alright guys, that's all for today. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.